Autonomous solutions provide new opportunities for underwater exploration, maintenance, and resource extraction. NTNU and our partners are at the forefront of developing these solutions. Autonomous underwater vehicles can revolutionize the way we operate under the sea and open new avenues of approach for sustainable utilization of marine resources, from aquaculture to oil and gas. With new technology, autonomous robots can now live underwater, ensuring that these new janitors of the ocean depths are always on the job. By working with partners like Equinor, NTNU can anticipate the needs of business and industry and deliver world-class research and technology.